Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Okay, so I'm asked to subtract these decimals right here. So first I have to make sure the decimals are in line, which in this case it is. And now let me also make sure everywhere is filled. So I have 6 right here. There's nothing here, so I'm going to put a 0 right here. And I'm just going to subtract like I'll do for whole numbers. But I have to always start from the right. So now I have 7 minus 6 is 1. This one is 4 minus 7. But wait, the 4 is smaller than the 7. So that means I'm going to have to borrow from here. If I borrow from here to there, this will go down by 1. So it becomes 8. But I'm going to add 10 to this number. So this number will become 14. So now I have 14 minus 7 is 7. I bring down the decimal point, and I now have 8 minus 8 is 0. And then 6 minus 0 is 6. So my answer is 60.71. That wasn't bad. Alright, so now let's see how I'm going to do this to see if I really got this. So again, I check to see if the decimal points are in line, which it is. That's great. And then I want to make sure everywhere is filled, which it is. That's great. So now I'm going to go ahead and subtract from the right. I have 5 minus 8. But wait a minute, the top number is smaller than the bottom number. So I'm going to borrow 1 from here. So this is now going to become, this will go down by 1. So this will become a 6. But borrowing from here to there, this is going to go up by 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. And now 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. I bring down my decimal point. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Yes, that's it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.